Howdy, y'all. We're here for another video at the Bombay Beach Biennale, LA's art festival at the beach.
It's a fun one. It's a really good one, actually.
Low bar lemonade.
Yeah.
The Ski 2 Inn is a art installation, as are all of the other structures on this beach. Check it out. Right now we're entering the metro. This is a rave dance party. It's just us here now, but later on this place will be hopping. We're wearing our masks this morning because of all this blowing wind and sand that gets up in your nostrils.
With that slabs the other day were worse than this though.
Yeah. While we were there, this pole just got up and left us, and so we got out of there because we didn't want to blow that sail right into our head. And this Cafe Bosna, this is my favorite spot. Let's go see if we could have a cup of Bosnian coffee. The thing that punched me in the freaking ear last night. Ow, dude. What the? Took that right to my ear. And the dang thing's still smiling. What do you have to say for yourself? This is my place here. I love this vibe right here. I love the beat, the harmony, the Bosnian coffee ceremony. Check it out. Here they're tuning in their theremin, getting all their instruments ready. This one is called the theremin. Okay, so we weren't able to get that cup of Bosnian coffee. Let's go see if we can now. Back to Bosna. This artist, I got to talk to him. I forget his name, but he's fantastic. Check out this art. All these little wires that he made into the shape of a face. And then it projects onto the back wall. It takes a little while for this coffee beans to heat up. Now just watch how he makes this coffee. I'll speed it up a little bit. The beans are roasting and he stirs it real quick so it doesn't burn. This gives it a nice, deep, rich flavor. Caramelized. Now you can see several cups there, and he's getting ready to pour the coffee into the little cups for service. It's almost ready. Here we are. You get a little piece of Turkish delight with the coffee, which helps to sweeten it. Once you take a sip, then you take a little bite of the Turkish delight as you sip this bitter, rich coffee. There's the Turkish delight. It's like a sweet jelly with some kind of nougat. This is so delicious. And now the keyboardist is tuning in his instruments.
As long as I'm blindfolded.
Rocket out, the magic bus. Nightfall arrives, and it's a whole different scene. Now we're watching the musical West Side Story performed.
Last night I dreamed we were back in Puerto Rico. We had 6 kids. 6 kids?
Since we've already seen the performance, we didn't stay for the whole thing. Instead, we came to this art gallery. They have champagne and oysters for everyone that views their work. Check out this huge cauldron fire pit. I want this at my camp. Oh, it's at the community center. I was hungry, so we went for tacos, and we found this. Check out this warming fire. It takes diesel fuel. Yeah. This is how they start. Oh shit, it's like a flamethrower. I missed when this boat sailed on the sea. And I've been watching this art installation go up, but I didn't get to see it lit up at night. This is where I get punched in the head. Watch this.
I got you. Give it a hug. Okay. Do you want me to video record you?
That thing just punched me right in the ear. Well, thanks for hanging out with me at Bombay Beach at the Biennale. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you would be a dear. Bless your heart.